Welcome to all. Let's continue with the Linux basic commands. So now we will learn about a cd command. Cd command is using to change a directory. So if I enter a cd, what it will do? By default cd, it will send you on your home location. So this is entitled means home location. Okay, that is the meaning of home location. If you are able to see in your bash shell, okay, it means it is your home location. It is your username and it is your host name. So this host name is coming like that. The reason is behind because it is a Docker. That was the reason it came here like that. And $sign, it means it is a normal user. If it is a super user, mean to say it is a root user, then it came as a hash for a super user. So what is a super user in a Linux? That is known as a root here. Now, so let me do a cd, and if I suppose if I want to go somewhere. So right now, if you want to check, let's learn pwd. Pwd means present working directory. Present working directory. So we will get the path right now where I'm inside a /home/12. And if I want to go somewhere, let's say I want to go in slash here, pwd ls. So we learned these commands, and these are the default directories inside your Docker. Okay, so here, this is OS here. So inside these are the default here. Now you can see lib32. We have here some package, so some lib32 libraries also here. So ls-lrt. So you can see here. So right now, if I press CD, so directly I reach my home directory. Okay, it doesn't matter where I'm. Okay, now let me go somewhere where and log. Okay, I'm here. And if I want to come out from one directory, so here, ls-lrta. So you have seen two dots here. So in previous lecture, I had told I will tell you when I will come in this lecture. Okay, so what does it mean here in two dot? Suppose one dot, current location. Current location. Two dot. If you are using a cd, two dot, you can back one directory. Back one directory. That's the meaning of a double dot and single dot. Now, let's say here cd two dot. Right now where I am, here you will see the path as well also. But let me use a pwd command. Let me use a cd dot two dot. I came here /bar. You can see right now. And if I do a pwd, I'm here. Okay. So let me go again. Let me use a hyphen. So hyphen will use as like you can see switch between your last two current directories, last two locations, last two locations, It will switch between last two locations. Okay. If I'm giving an example of as a layman, we have a remote of TV in old TVs. There we set a one channel, like, okay, one channel is here I'm watching a movie 104, and another channel I'm watching news 106. So you can back and forth. So same cd hyphen will do here. So now let me use a cd hyphen here. Now I'm here, and let me put some another location so where I can go and sysconfig here, sysconfig systemctl. Let me go on another location. So here systemctl d, I need a directory. So now I'm here. I am here. Okay. I want to switch here. Now I reach it /var/log where I'm using again. I reach it again /et systemctl. So it is switching between two directories, last two directories. Okay. Let's say I did a change the path and I made it like a /root. Now, okay, it's permission denied. And okay, let me switch any other. Let's take a /bin usr bin. Let's say I want to switch between /usr bin here. Now, last it will remember varlog and usr bin. Okay, so right now let me reach again here in a varlog, and you want to come out from a one directory. There's a one, but if you want to come out to one more directory, use a double dot. Now, where I will reach /. So when I used this first, I reached here where when I use double dot again, I reach it on a / here. Now, let me use it here. So now where is I'm? Okay. And let me go any let me use let's switch as a sudo su here. Okay, let me switch a sys and here sysconfig. Yes, sysconfig is not here. Okay, so here let me go any directories here. So this is a default, and let's say here Python 3 is here, and okay, Python is nothing. Let me go somewhere where I'm getting more directories. Let me come out from here. Now you can see I am a Python 3. I want to come out from here and I want to go back and forth here. Okay, I came out from one directory. I reach it in this path cd/etc. This is the path over, right? And here I'm changing the path here. I'm changing the location here. Okay, now you can see I'm able to change here. Okay, so like that we can do. And I will let you know after that cat command. And if you want to read something, let's say I have switched here, and right now I'm in this location, and earlier I used this command. Okay, what in here now here we have these files. Okay, these are the files here, but let me go again here, and I want to do a cat is command is using to read a content here. So what I want to read a content. Where is right now I'm here. I want to go one directory back again. I came here, and now I want to read this file, any file. Let's say now I'm able to read. So you came one step back. Okay, and after that I read this file. So like that we can do here. So that is the meaning of two dot, and single dot is a current location. So sometime if I need to copy some files, so let's say I went /var log location. Let me go set cd/temp location here, ls-lrt, and I want to copy some file. Let's say /etc password file, and I will make a dot. So dot means current location. So cp is a command using to copy. So I'm copy this file to this location, means current location. So you can see now I'm able to see here password file. So right now I'm teaching you about a dot and double dot here. So right now we are learning about a cd command. So that is the meaning of double dot and single dot. And we learned about a cd hyphen. We learned a cd. It will send you the home directory. So let's learn about a cat command. So cat command having a both the purpose we are using it, read the content and We can write the content using a cat command also. So let me go inside a /temp directory. So here you can see password file here. Suppose I want to read this content here. I need to use a cat. I am able to read a content here. These are the content. So in password files, we got some users data here. We will learn later when we will come on the user administration part. There we will know about this data. So till now we are learning here cat command. So what now you want, how you want to see this? You want to see all these in a line number. Okay, so cat space here -n. I'm using a -n argument. It's using to show it as a line by line here. So you can see here 25 lines here. So that is the first purpose we are using a cat command. Let's understand the next purpose. Cat, I'm using this. It is your greater than symbol. And suppose I want to create a one test file .txt, and I want to write something here, welcome to all. And let me make a enter. Let me make either Control D or Control Z. Let me use a Control D. So now you can see, let me read, let me see, is this file created or not? You can see this file has been created. Let me read the content here. Okay, so it is here. Let me try same things again. Now, let me make it hello world. Okay, I'm making it here. Let me make a Control D. Here I will make a enter, and I did a Control plus D. Okay, or you can make it a Control plus Z also. Okay, so now you have seen here what happened here. So I'm using this symbol here. So this symbol, what it did, it overwrite it. Here what it did, overwrite it. Remove the previous content and overwrite. First time when you did it, what it will do? It will create a file. It created a file. What it did here? It created a file, okay, with content. Okay, this content here. So this reader, if you are using again and again, what it will do? The file already exists. It will overwrite it. That is the meaning of a greater than symbol. And let's suppose if you want to append the lines, you want to append your data, how you will do? Same things, use a double. What does mean? It will same meaning. Okay, so let me create a new file here. Instead of set, let me create a example easy.txt, and let me make a hello. This file does not exist here. Okay, so here you can see two files are there, hello all, and let me make a Control D. So now you can see first time what it will do. So here you have seen same action. It's done by same earlier when it a single greater than did it. It's did it same things here. There is no change here. It created a file with the content here. Let me use it next time. Now the behavior is changed. Let's see now the behavior. It will append the here. Now let me use it. Now let me type here. So let me make it a welcome to all. Okay. Now let's see the content here. Now the behavior changed. So double greater than means it will append the line. It will appends the lines. It will append the line. Okay. So like that we can do with the cat command. So this is the method we can use it. So let's understand now. Suppose if you want to write something data in your shell scripting code, so how you can do that time? So let's learn that things as well also. I am using the same things, same meaning. Here I'm typing a one more file. Let's say file one. Okay, so already we know the purpose. what it will do, it will create this file if the file does not exist. And the twist is here, this one, end of file is a part of a syntax. End of file, it's not mandatory you need to make a end of file. It's your choice. You can make your name as well also, but follow the standards. Now, here I know I need to write something. Let me write something. Linux is open source. Okay, so let me do enter. Now, I wrote it here. Let me make it the end of file. If I start, here I will not use any control plus D or control plus Z. Nothing. I don't want to use anything here. So end of file here. This is the here. You choose here end of file, and here you need to make a same ending here. Okay. If you choose here your name, for example, let me make it a Daljit here. Okay, Daljit. I need to end with the a Daljit. Okay, but follow the standard that I would suggest you never do this. It will make you sometime difficult. For example, I want to print Daljit. I want to write Daljit in this file. Then I can't, because already it's a confused. So it will understand it is the end of a syntax. End of syntax. Okay, so now let me do. So this method is using in a shell scripting if you want to write a code. So there it is a helping. So meaning is same here. Linux is an open source. If I try it again, what it will do? It will overwrite it here. Okay, so let's try one more time here. The behavior is same here. Now make a hello all, end of file. Now see here. Let's make a one more file. Cat, and now you already know the behavior of this one. It will create a new file and it will append the lines. So I will make it a some other things. Let me make it as a om and welcome, hello. I wrote something here and let me make it as a om now. Now I can see here. Let me make it as a file too. Okay, so now let me write some more content here. File 2. Okay, this time I will use a here. And let me write here something here. So I will write here Linux is an open source again. Okay. And let me make end of file here. Now you can read the content here. File 2. So you can see the previous content also there. And right now we wrote this content as well also. In this method, editing is not possible. So how to do edit, we will learn next lectures, coming lecture using a VI editor. So suppose you did a spell mistake here, hello, and you want to do edit here. So using this method, we can't edit. That is the one cons. Can't edit. Okay. Any can't edit means any changing, for any changing means for content. Okay, for content, spell, you did a spell mistake change. So if you want, you can't do these things. Okay, then we need to learn VI editor. We will do this with the VI editor in coming lectures.